pool right here is almost warm water because of the sun.
Because of the sun? Eat your heart out, Dan Wowak. Just kidding. They have killer streams out in Appalachia too. I think I found the swimming hole. Literally knee deep right here. Freaking awesome. Freezing cold water. Anyway, this is our creek walk. Very awesome. Just a huge flat rock all the way up. We've already been down, so we're gonna go back to camp now. Collected our water already. And this cool little mini waterfall, which I'll show you here in a minute. Real awesome. So yeah, if y'all ever get the chance to hit Smith Creek, this is totally worth it. This is August 1st. You know, for the last 3 weeks, month, it's been 90, 100 degrees, very little rain. Last 4 or 5 days we've had some rain. High might have got to 85 today. It's going to get down in the lower 60s tonight. Absolutely beautiful weather. I deleted the other video, so I'll have to get a new one. This is very cool. Oh. That cold water gets Nan. She can't hardly handle it. And there's our water supplies. And it's a really cool little mini waterfall all about our water. Very awesome. Alright, y'all, we're gonna head back to camp, chill out, get some dinner ready, and we'll see you then.